Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download and install Binance application on your Android devices. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now take note, you cannot go ahead and do this method if your device is rooted, but if not, you could just go ahead and follow along. This tutorial is quick and simple, so let's jump straight into the video. First things first, let's go ahead and open up our official Play Store right here. And inside, you want to go ahead and search for Binance. You could go ahead and download their application by clicking on the Binance by Bitcoin and crypto right here. It is by Binance Inc. There's also an application like Binance TR, Binance TH, but you are specifically looking for this one. Just go ahead and click on it, and of course you have the install button right here. Just go ahead and click on install, or you could go ahead and install it into one of your devices. In my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and install this to this device specifically, so I'll just wait for it to load in. So after installing the application, you're gonna go ahead and see the uninstall button and also the open button. You could just go ahead and see the application on your home screen right here. Go ahead and click on it, and in that way you will be able to download and install Binance into your Android devices. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.